back here at Disneyland, and we're coming for round 2, people. And by the way, let me tell you by saying that I really love the cast member here, especially Izzat, because she said that I'm still as good looking as the first time that I came through.
She's sweet, isn't she?
She's sweet. She might be lying, but she's sweet. I love her. I love her. But anyways, guys, today's adventure, we're gonna show you more rides. We haven't experienced some of the rides, so we're back for that. We're gonna take you to show you our reactions, everything else that we can find here in Disneyland. We're gonna show it to you, so it's gonna be still a vlogging style more than an informative style. So anyway, we hope you're gonna enjoy this. And if you're brand new in this channel, hi. Welcome to Cool Case Adventure, and our main mission is to help you have fun when you come to California or any theme park in Florida. With that said, are you guys ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it. Oh, nothing better than watching the band. We can just sit over here and listen to them play every single Disney song. Especially you, Karen, right?
Oh, I love marching band. I used to be in marching band, which they make fun of me, but it's okay. Look how nice that sounds.
I know.
It's amazing.
By the way, what were you doing?
Updating our Instagram. I'm about to put some of the music on Instagram.
Exactly. So if you're not following us on Instagram, I still don't know why, but make sure you follow us on Cool Case Adventure. I'm going to show it to you on the screen for more adventure, so similar adventure to this one, because we actually posting Instagram almost daily. We keep you updated on all the news.
We're out in the park.
So you will know about our adventure before I even put it on a vlog out on YouTube. So make sure you follow us over there. Alrighty, guys, so we're back in here in Main Street, and it's similar as Magic Kingdom. Basically at this time it's 5:19, 5:20 in the afternoon here, and basically I'm encountering a lot of people leaving the park now. So hopefully the waiting times will be lower this time. Now the first stop that we're gonna do is Starbucks. You guys know Karen, so we're back at Tomorrowland. This time we decided to go to Space Mountain. Earlier when we came here today, the ride just broke down and we couldn't do it, so we're back at it just to see if we can experience it. According to the standby line, it's about a 50 minutes wait. We hope it's less than that, because everything that we've done today, it happens to be like 10-15 minutes of discrepancy, and obviously very different from Magic Kingdom. It happens to be over here in a corner, but it is currently the standby is at 55 minutes, so don't have other choice, we gotta do it. Well, for the second time today,
No luck today.
Space Mountain goes down.
We'll come back.
We'll have to come back, of course, but hey, well, guys, we happen to see Stitch over here. Now, Stitch over here is definitely farther out than in Walt Disney World, for sure. Let's hit a classic one. This is how at home this will be called, Tomorrowland Speedway. So let's check out the differences in this one.
It's gonna go bumpy on the track.
It is gonna be a bumpy ride. And especially now that you feel like you have a driver license, I don't know why they gave you that.
Yeah.
And you're riding with me, you're driving.
Yeah.
That's gonna be scary.
So
Everybody was a pleasure meeting you.
yes.
This is probably gonna be as bumpy as the Matterhorn and Indiana Jones. All right, people, we are in a Honda. Wow, this is great. Oh, look at that.
Oh,
That's pretty cool, though. Anyways, we want to take this
right now.
moment,
You think
this
right now is a great
moment to remind everybody, if you are liking this video, and we're sharing any valuable content, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're brand new around here and want to see more of this desperate, crazy riding over here and more crazy adventure like this one, make sure that you subscribe to this channel, people. If you
Smash that like button.
This is the content to watch, man. We're taking you all over, man. We're taking you to California. We're from Florida. We're visiting a lot of theme parks, basically sharing our experiences from our family to yours. So make sure that you subscribe and like that button. And while you do that, please set a prayer for me, because I don't know if I'm gonna survive this one.
Me either.
Definitely different, of course, different than Florida. Different, but I'm enjoying this ride. Although I've done this in Magic Kingdom with Kalel, and yeah, it has been as bad as that one. But anyway, nice ride though. By the way, I decided to just put my foot down on the pedal to help Kyla, because you know it gets tricky for her. Yeah. There's a cast member over there.
Make sure we're not dead.
This is where we say,
Hi.
"Hey,
Oh
sheesh!"
my God. Oh,
Hey, yes, I got the cast member to sheesh on me. I like it.
Oh no.
Look, those people making the line for the Matterhorn. Let's do it. All right, let's do it.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Sheesh! This is a lot of fun.
This is fun.
Actually, Kyla's driving better than I expected her to drive.
No. Don't jinx me.
Don't jinx it. Well, people, family, I survived. Glad
I
that
wasn't that bad.
she did not kill me.
I wasn't that bad. If I can.
Wow. But it was a fun track. Obviously different than home,
Definitely.
but it was super fun.
I mean, storyline and everything.
Still come here and do it, experience it. It is a really cool ride. You enjoyed it too?
Oh yeah, it was awesome. I like this
Carlo,
one.
you enjoyed it?
I like this one better.
Oh, you did? Better than at home? Okay, there you go.
Because at home, it's way bumpier and less control of it.
Gotcha. We happen to be here at Toontown, and just so you guys know, this is where the new construction is happening. What's coming here is Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railroad, like the same thing we will have on Hollywood Studios. That's exactly what's coming over here. There's a roller coaster down there that it will be the equivalent to Barnstormer in Magic Kingdom. So this is similar to what we had in the Magic Kingdom before. Roger Rabbit's cartoon spin, apparently it's 30 minutes at 7:49, but I don't know. My guess is, guys, that may be trying to scare us away. Who knows? Really? They 30 minutes, that's what they said. So let's see how long it will take us to really get there. So we finally hit a line. So I'm gonna time it from this point on to see if it's truly 30 minutes or not. 5 minutes after we made it. Woohoo! By the way, I didn't know that this ride has a wheel that if you spin it spins you around. Wow. We're falling down. So this is how It's a Small World looks over here in Disneyland at a 10-minute wait time.
You don't see that at
home at all. Well, that was less than 10 minutes, and you could feel Karen's excitement for being front row. Actually, well, for the first time, my bad, more than 10 minutes. Well, Karen is super excited, I guess, to be on Small World. Not first row, but hey, Karen, this is a different Small World.
A different Small World, so I'm excited.
Different facade.
I used to work at Pinocchio's here in the Magic
Enjoy your
Kingdom,
cruise.
which is attached to
Welcome back, David. Please get out.
It's a Small World.
Small World, so I get to hear this song every day, multiple hours a day. But
Yeah.
this is a new one. It's a new adventure. I'm ready. Let's go.
Yeah, different facade. It looks pretty cool. Look at that. Let's start by saying that we start outside.
It's amazing. I like it.
Yeah, I actually like in the top areas as well. Look at this. Nice. Let's go and listen to the song that is probably going to be sticking in our minds the whole entire night, even through our sleep. See? Already seeing some differences from home. By the way, guys, if you're actually watching this channel for the first time, every time that I say home, it's because we're from Florida. So we do content in Magic Kingdom or any Walt Disney World park. And this is where we start finding the similarities with the Walt Disney World It's a Small World ride. So this looks familiar to us right here. This is different. They do actually have characters in this ride, Disney characters.
Cinderella, we saw Tinkerbell, we saw Alice.
Yeah, so definitely they don't have that back at home. And there is Pinocchio. Yeah, look at him over there. And right over there is Aladdin and Jasmine. I like that. And that right there will be Mulan. And Mushu right next to her. Let me know if you recognize that character. And those characters right there. Totally, dude. Let me know if you recognize these characters over here. Good. Man, this ride is so long that when we went in, it was during the day, and now that we come out, it's literally night. All right, so we're currently making the line for Storybrooke Land. Again, it's one of those Disneyland classics that we don't have at home, and we decided to do it. It was only at a 30 minutes. Sounds more like it was probably like at 20 minutes, to be honest with you. One thing I could tell you right now, it may be less now because it's less crowded, but one thing I could share with you is that the queue lines are extremely uncomfortable. Like you're literally breathing on each other's shoulder. Beware if you come over here and you don't like people close to you, that's exactly what's going to happen. And also look at the seating. They seat you like on a bench side by side, so if you have back problems or something like that, take that in consideration. But besides that, we're excited to just experience something new.
Hello and welcome to Storybrooke Land. My name is Kira and I'll be your captain and storyteller tonight. For your safety, please remain. While most people visit stories to the pages of a book, those who visit in person often take more magical means of transportation. But don't worry, while it looks like we're passing through the jaws of Monstro the whale, we're actually being transported to a magical place called Storybrooke Land. And a house made of 100% guaranteed wolf-proof bricks.
Right here on our ride is Dumbo and the original Kyla, the OG carousel right over there. This is back when, this is one of Walt's dreams right over here. This is what probably motivated him, right, to open this park. This is crazy to see it over here, right over there. So we're currently making the line for Mr. Toad, and I know this is one of the rides that you truly wanted to see.
I really wanted to do this because
an original.
It's one of the originals that is no longer at the Magic Kingdom, so I really wanted to ride this.
So there you go. We're gonna take you with us to this adventure. And by the way, Storybrooke Land, I wasn't crazy about that one either.
No, I think it's definitely something you should do during the day because everything, obviously they're going over through the stories and they're not lit. So for us to go at night, we kind of lost a lot of it. We couldn't see it.
And honestly, I wouldn't spend 30 minutes in line just for that. That's just my personal opinion. But
I really could see anything.
I don't think that ride is worth even 20 minutes.
No.
That was a sharp turn. Definitely caring is driving. And by driving, that's what I mean. Caring, wait! Okay?
I liked it.
You did it.
That was cute.
It was kind of cool to do a dark ride.
Yes.
Finally. Woohoo! Different. I like it. I appreciate that.
Yeah, it was nice. It was fun.
We made it to Batu West, as some people call it. As obviously this is Galaxy's Edge here at Disneyland. And we came here at nighttime because there's nothing better than to see Galaxy's Edge at night. This is similar to back at home. The only difference is the main entrance from back at home will be that way. versus where we just came from. But definitely a lot of similarities right there. And you could actually hear the party out here because that's Olga's Cantina. So right over here we decided to do Smuggler Run because it's only at a 25 minutes. But guys, I'll be honest with you, I don't care if you're on Batu West or Batu East, this continues to be very impressive to see. All right, so surprisingly we did well.
We did really well. So
We got pirate, and then he said the next level is master pirate, which I don't know how we're gonna get there. But I only have one question. If I was an engineer, how the heck I'm dizzy?
It's the pilots.
What are these two pilots doing that got me that dizzy? Now look at this, only in Batu West you can see Rey and Chewie by the Millennium Falcon. We haven't seen this at home yet, Kalo, right?
No, we have not.
Hola, we back.
Alright guys, so here from Batu West is where we're gonna end this video. We truly hope you enjoy it because this part 2 in Disneyland was outstanding.
Yeah, it was.
We got a lot accomplished and we're definitely coming back for more.
We did, well, us, me and Kalo, we did 11 rides. You guys did 9 rides.
The entire day?
I think we're not counting the last 3 ones that we did.
Alright, so there you go. We did a whole bunch of rides. We're still missing a few like Space Mountain and Snow White and a few of the rides that we want to do. So anyways, from Batu West, from here we say good night. Thank you so much for joining us in another adventure. We love you guys. Thanks for all the support, but sadly this adventure has ended. And with that said, we want to remind everybody to
Subscribe.
And smash the like button and turn that bell for notifications.
Bing, 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 and feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile loud, be great.
Be cool.
and stay awesome. See you guys next adventure.
Bye, guys.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom. See ya.